Cases of whooping cough are on the rise across the U.S. and here in Tennessee. More than 200 cases have been confirmed so far this year in the state. Last year, there were 389 cases in Tennessee. It's a huge jump from the number of people diagnosed in 2023. That year, there were only 80 cases. The number of whooping cough cases was 40 in 2022. Health experts blame the drastic jump on fewer people being vaccinated. Now, we spoke to experts at the Knox County Health Department last week who suggest having a conversation with your primary care physician if you're unsure about vaccines.